My bird giving me a call out here. Blacksmithing bird. What's going on, buddy? Yeah, what do you want? You want a cracker, don't you? This guy always comes when I'm out here hammering and begging for treats. I really love animals, and I don't mind to feed them, especially in the city here, because it seems that they got a pretty tough life. Only thing, this guy, boy, he's pretty loud if it's 5 in the morning, I'll say that. Alright, buddy, here, I'll give you a cracker, alright? Here, see? Cracker for you. He really likes those crackers. Eat it up, buddy. I really enjoy the company, but it can be a little bit of a pain in the butt sometimes. You know, what's funny is that this one bird, I'm not sure what kind of bird this is even, but the others are all very wary, but this guy is not afraid. Makes me think that, well, obviously animals have personalities. Oh, you dropped it. Alrighty, bye-bye.